yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's Moparian, aka Scat Pack-in time. That's right, the Scat Pack-ins are back to put their toes to the pavement and drop those feet all the way down to the bowels of hell. But, and I do mean but, Officer Byrd, the legend, the legendary T-1000, say he got something to say about that. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Scat Pack-ins down, or will the Scat Pack-ins get treacherous and get sinister against the legendary Officer Byrd and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get diabolical, Moparian style. Let's see if the Moparians can do it again. Oh, that's a wide body Scat. Okay. Out of there. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my anesthetic toad for you, devil. I hope you're ready. Okay, he off the gate. Officer Byrd don't like that. Don't come flying past Officer Byrd, aka T-1000, and think he ain't gonna be on you like flies on Dookie. Oh, he already at 120? Oh yeah, homeboy flying. He flying in a Scat Pack. I think it's a Scat Pack. It could have been a Hellcat. I ain't for sure. But he definitely out of there. He's definitely out of here. He running from the truth like K Kardashian. We know what you used to be, baby. We know. You can't change like that and think we can't remember the past. And it was a good one. A good, nasty, freaky one. Allegedly. I gotta say, allegedly. Oh, he definitely gone.
Back in the lanes.
Look, Officer Byrd, he don't care about the side or nothing. He hitting the tires and everything. Once Officer Byrd locked in, you might as well say, I give up. He gonna chase you to the ends of the earth. If you go to another dimension, he gonna be right behind you. Is that him right there? I know he didn't catch up to him. What? Hold on. Oh, they spike stripped him. Oh, they spike stripped him. He was already on the... That's wild.
Let me see your fucking hands.
Put your hands up, scumbag.
Keep them up.
Don't make me unload on you. Light you up like a firecracker.
Keep your fucking hands up.
Oh, Officer Byrd mad. He's using profanity.
Walk back this way. Whoa. That's him.
Come on, Pookie. Not again. Give us a break, Pookster.
Keep your hands up front.
With a bad leg, y'all. Out here acting a fool with a bad leg. Look at his leg. Look at his leg, y'all.
Keep walking back. We'll just keep fucking walking.
They don't care about your leg. They don't care about that.
Talking about what's going on. That's him.
Oh, they've been looking for him.
Go down to your knees. That makes sense.
Tim Tag. Did he steal that?
Anyone else in the car? We might ought to keep bringing him back.
Is there anybody else in the car? Anybody else in the car? Lay down on your stomach.
I'm gonna keep cover on you if you want to cuff him. Yes, sir.
Is that stolen? How you can't? Oh, then again, they did spike strip him. Hold on. I was about to say how you can't get away in the Scatty.
You haven't been chasing for 40 miles. I didn't know. I feel like I'm just cruising.
He said they've been chasing him for 40 miles. So you were just cruising for 40 and you see the lights behind you?
Take him real good before we clear the
Roll
place.
over that. I can't off
He was bumping that drill music. Killer who, killer ha, who the who, bang bang music. Don't worry, I feel you. I used to bump that stuff too when I was a Pookie, a diabolican. I still bump it to this day.
Which way, officer? Rock that way, to your right.
Man, they've been chasing him for 40 miles, man. That's a nice Scat Pack too. My favorite color combination, white and black.
What you got going on? Talk to me, Sarge. You good? You good?
Man, they said they've been chasing him for. He said, I didn't know, man. I was just cruising. That's a possibility, man. He you know, only professional drivers really look in their rearview mirrors and all their mirrors all the time. Like me, it's just a natural habit because I'm a truck driver, so I'm always looking up all of my mirrors. But a regular civilian don't really do that.
I'm gonna pop it.
Especially if you got your music blasting, you can't hear them sirens.
Trump.
Cruising at 150. Cruising at 150 though, you know you ain't supposed to be doing that. Well, if it's stolen, at least it's not messed up. It'll get back to the owner. If it's stolen, at least the owner will get it back in good condition. You gotta get you some new tires, but other than that, it look like it's in good condition. Look at that four-door piece of beauty. What about the new Chargers? What y'all think about those new Chargers? Do they compare to these? Do they look as good as the previous gen? Does the new Charger look as good as this?
Pass on the shoulder.
I don't think so, in my opinion.
So you just normally drive like that? You didn't know it was mine? Is that what you're telling me?
No, I didn't see you.
He didn't see you, man. It's a possibility that he didn't see you.
I probably got a new bag in my food bag.
Where you going?
I'm going to Little Rock to see my auntie.
Going to Little Rock to see your auntie? I hope you ain't got some of that good stuff. I hope you ain't got some of that in there, because they gonna find it. But it's a possibility, though, he couldn't hear him. If you got your music blaring, you just vibing.
I'll let
You play football?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're big. You in college? That's probably over with, ain't it? That's probably over with, ain't it? Huh? You think this was very smart?
I didn't even know you was not. I had my boots up loud.
His football career ain't over. What you talking about that's over with? Because he got a ticket?
Drive that fast? Huh?
This is where you stop speaking English. Me speaking no English.
You do? Alright.
No, I don't normally drive this fast, man.
You're gonna have to. I'm gonna push you in there if you don't get in there. You're going to get sideways or something. You ain't got no choice.
He ain't no little guy now. To get a man a chance, he do got a messed up leg. Now, I ain't saying feel sorry for him, but he ain't the littlest guy. Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. Now, this is insane. My boy, they said they was chasing my boy for 40 miles. I think they said 40 miles. He was doing about 150, man. He probably couldn't hear him, though. You got your music blasting, you grooving. Trying to go home to see his auntie. You know, he grooving, going to the Little Rock. I'm trying to get on to see auntie. Auntie cooking some greens, some chicken, macaroni and cheese. Good old soul food with the sweet potatoes on the side. She might even go crazy with it and get a little bit of that sweet. I said that sweet water cornbread on the side. You know what I'm saying? He trying to get home to that soul food. So, yeah, it's a possibility he didn't hear you, Officer Byrd. Officer Byrd, sometimes you be acting like you just don't care, my boy.
Video,
listen, another one down from Officer Byrd. Officer Byrd, the legend, takes another one down. In this video, he was a little bit more disrespectful. Usually, he's a nice, respectful guy. But this video, it seemed like he did not like that he couldn't catch up to that Scatty. He seems like he could not, since he couldn't pit him. Seemed like he didn't like that. Allegedly. I gotta say he wanted to pit him. Allegedly, he was angry. Allegedly, that he didn't get to put him through the wall. He didn't want the spike strip to come out. He wanted to get close to him and put him through the wall at 150. He wanted to send him airborne. He wanted to send him to where? Heaven or hell. You know how Officer Byrd do. He liked to end the chase the pity way. He didn't get to pit him, and I think he was highly, and I mean highly, disappointed. I gotta say allegedly, because I don't know what he was thinking. I'm just saying, in my opinion, I think you was mad that you didn't get to pit him. I think you was busted and disgusted. If I could look inside your head, I think it's on fire, literally, because you didn't get to pit this beautiful Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body. He wanted to turn that wide body into a paper mache, but he didn't get to do it, so he got a little angry. We gonna forgive you. We gonna let you slide on this one, Officer Byrd, because we do kind of like you. But this time, you was disrespectful. But with that being said, I'm gonna slide on up out of here. But make sure you what? Like, comment, subscribe. Give me some of those hype points so we can get to 44,000 werewolves. That's what need 44,000. We at 43. Why not 44? Make sure you hit that what? Notification bell too, so you can be notified every time I drop one of these fireball videos. But with that being said, I'm gonna be able to leave you with some positivity. Listen, nobody, and I mean nobody, wants to hang around a person that's always negative. Your negative vibes rub off on people. And I myself, I don't want to be around nobody that's always negative, always complaining, always acting like the world is against them. The world is against not just you, everybody. It's a dog-eat-dog world. Fight to survive. Take what you what? Unalive. You cannot be acting like you the only one going through problems and trying to take your negativity out on everybody. Every time you come around, you got something negative to say. Every time somebody do something positive, you got something negative to say. You don't want to see nobody win because you mad because you ain't winning at the moment. You're negative. And some of y'all are that type of person. Always negative. Always act like nothing's good enough. I used to be the type of person like, man, why not? I did. No. You don't deserve anything. You got to earn it. I used to be like that. I used to be negative. Not super negative, but negative. You like, man, come on, man. I'm supposed to be winning. Never hating on nobody, just acting like I'm supposed to be, the top dog. No. If you didn't earn it, you don't deserve it. And if you ain't got it, obviously you didn't earn it. Obviously, it ain't your time. Stop being negative, suck it up, and go out there and win. And keep winning. Show the world that you deserve to be on top, not that you deserve to be given the top spot. Because don't nobody deserve to be given the top spot. Michael Jordan didn't get given the top spot. Mike Tyson, when he was Iron Mike, he didn't get given the top spot. Kobe didn't get given. LeBron didn't get given. Tom Brady didn't get given. Tiger, none of the greats got it given to them. They had to earn it. So why don't you have to earn it? Stop being negative Ned, because we want you to be a positive Pete or a positive Patricia. Negative Ned and negative Nancy, stay away from me. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Pull over. Just pull over. Turn the music down and pull over, clown. I said turn the music down and pull over, clown. But I will react to you doing it in a positive, educational way, and I will tell you what I thought happened, when it happened, and what you was in when it was happening. If you're looking to get a wide-body Dodge Charger, you see how fast they are? Do you see how fast they are? And obviously, they got a nice sound system because you can't even hear the police when they're behind you. Allegedly. I got to say, allegedly. But the perfect commercial. They get busy. But at the same time, we don't condone it. Do not run from the boys in blue. We just want to react to it in a funny, educational way. But if you are going to run, and if you are going to be a diabolicking, can you please, and listen to me now, turn the music down.